Welcome guys, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy M53 5G and I want to show you a few camera tips. And first we are going to focus on the zoom feature, and I'm going to show you how you can use the zoom in a few different ways. So normally you can go simply for the ultra wide lens, wide lens and telephoto lens. When you keep tapping on each preset, you will also enable this few additional like 4x and 10x. But if you want to go between, like for example you want to set 5x or 6x, as you can see it's not available right here. So what you have to do, click, hold, and after that you will get this slider, and here you can make it manually. So you can go for each setup you want, from the ultra wide lens to the 10x. You can also pinch the screen like that, it's also working. Or you can just simply hold with one finger and then move the second one, or just pinch like that. Okay, let's go for the 1x. And there's also another method how to use the zoom feature. We have to open the settings, so we have to click on the left bottom corner when you hold the phone like that. Next you have to scroll down and go for the shutting methods and change volume key function to zoom in or out. So the volume buttons you will find right here, and when you press volume up you will zoom in, and when you press volume down you will zoom out. So that's how we can make it. And right now we can focus on this shutter, because you will find here also a few hidden options. And the first one, it will be the floating shutter button. So normally when you click you can take photo, but you can also swipe like that and you will enable this additional floating shutter button. So as you can see, we can take photos by using each one. But if you cannot reach this one, for example, and you hold the phone like that, you can simply just tap right here. If you want to hide this one, just drag to the main shutter. Another feature will be about the dragging this shutter like that. So you have to basically click, hold, and then drag, or just simply drag, because when you click and hold you will record video. That's another feature. And if you don't know what is going on here, we are taking the series of the photos. We can take 30 photos, as you can see. And this feature, when holding, of course we are going to record the video. You can move your finger to this lock, so you don't have to hold this button anymore. You can simply just take photos. You can zoom in and zoom out to the 10 times. You can switch to the selfie camera by tapping right here. You can pause the video, continue, or just finish. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you also this the second way how to take photos. So we can go for the shutting methods, and then we can change from zoom in and out to take picture or record video. So when you press volume up or volume down, we'll take photos. You can also click and hold to take this series of the photos. Okay, so that was all about this one, and this one. So I think that right now I'm going to show you how we can take more details on your photos, and that's really cool feature. So let's make a comparison. Let's take photo with the normal mode, and then go right here and select this one, 108 megapixel mode. Okay, so it's okay, it looks strange. Let's just repeat one more time. Let me just hold the phone steady. Okay, right now the photo second will looks good, definitely, yeah. Okay, so let's focus, for example, on this old cell phone keyboard. As you can see, it looks like that. Not bad, right? And of course, this photo was taken with the normal mode. We can focus, for example, on these lines, on this aspect ratio right here. We can also go maybe for a few coins, or like this one. So right now let's switch for 108 megapixel mode. As you can see, that's a huge difference when we take a look right here, or for example right here. You can spot definitely more details in this place. And the same when we take a look on these lines or aspect ratio at the bottom. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's go for the normal mode without the 100 megapixel. And you can also enable camera timer by tapping right here. You can go between 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or even 10 seconds. And when you click on the shutter, after this countdown, the photo will be taken. You cannot speed it up. You can just like go away, just get rid of that. So take a look. After this time, the photo will be taken. Yeah, and there it is. And that's all for the Galaxy M53 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.